Over the past 4 years, we have strategically leveraged a combination of debt and equity to acquire Bitcoin, totaling a $7.5 billion investment. Initially, we issued $500 million in senior debt and $1 billion in equity to purchase Bitcoin. We continued this cycle by borrowing against our Bitcoin holdings to acquire more, while also issuing additional equity. Our Bitcoin investment is now valued between $14 to $15 billion, with our company's market cap soaring from $1 billion to $30 billion and our enterprise value skyrocketing from $600 million to over $30 billion. Consequently, our stock has increased tenfold, outperforming the SP index and major tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, and Apple, as well as Bitcoin itself. Despite initial setbacks such as a $40 million loss when Bitcoin dropped from $11,800 to $9,000 shortly after our purchase, we remain steadfast in our belief in Bitcoin's potential. This resilience paid off as Bitcoin eventually surged past its all-time highs.
Over the past 4 years, we have executed a strategic plan to invest heavily in Bitcoin, leveraging a mix of debt and equity to do so. We initially raised $500 million through a senior debt issue to buy Bitcoin, followed by a $1 billion equity sale. This strategy continued as we borrowed against our Bitcoin holdings to purchase even more Bitcoin, while issuing additional equity. To date, we have invested a total of $7.5 billion in Bitcoin, which is currently valued between $14 and $15 billion. This aggressive investment strategy has dramatically transformed our company. Our market capitalization has grown from $1 billion to $30 billion, and our enterprise value has soared from $600 million to over $30 billion. Our stock has increased tenfold, outperforming nearly every stock on the SP index, including major tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, and Facebook. Remarkably, our stock performance has even surpassed Bitcoin itself. Throughout this period, we maintained a firm belief in Bitcoin's potential despite market volatility. Initially, when we purchased Bitcoin at $11,800, the price dropped to $9,000, resulting in a $40 million loss from our initial $250 million investment. This was a stressful start, but we decided to double down on our strategy. Our conviction proved to be correct as Bitcoin eventually rebounded and reached new all-time highs. We took a strong stance, believing that Bitcoin is not only a sound investment strategy but also beneficial for the world. Our decision to remain committed to this vision, despite the initial setbacks and market fluctuations, has led to extraordinary growth and success for our company. In 44 months, we have achieved a tenfold increase in our stock value, a 20-fold increase in market cap, and a 40-fold increase in enterprise value, demonstrating the power of our Bitcoin-centric strategy.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
A bit of economics and engineering have combined to create something that is simultaneously a technology, a network, an asset, and an ideology. This creation is Bitcoin, the world's first engineered money and the first engineered monetary network. So what really is Bitcoin and what makes it valuable? Imagine a scenario where 1 billion people lack trust in banks, governments, corporations, and even each other. These people face the erosion of their life savings due to rampant hyperinflation and have no rights or security, often being displaced because of their race, religion, or political views. They desire ownership of their own economic energy and life force, seeking sovereignty and property rights that cannot be taken away. Consider yourself one of these people. It becomes clear why Bitcoin might appeal to you. Throughout history, similar sentiments have existed. For example, in 1492, when the Spaniards discovered the New World, people sought new opportunities and security. Today, Bitcoin offers a modern solution for those who wish to protect their wealth and assert their independence in an uncertain world.
A fusion of economics and engineering has given rise to Bitcoin, a revolutionary concept that is simultaneously a technology, a network, an asset, and an ideology. Bitcoin represents the world's first engineered money and the first engineered monetary network, redefining how we perceive and use currency. To understand Bitcoin's significance, imagine a world where 1 billion people lack trust in traditional institutions like banks, governments, and corporations. These individuals witness their life savings being eroded by rampant hyperinflation and feel powerless in the face of economic instability. They may have been displaced from their homes due to their race, religion, or political views, leaving them with little hope for security or ownership. For these people, Bitcoin offers a form of economic sovereignty and property rights that cannot be easily taken away. Bitcoin is designed to empower individuals by providing a decentralized and secure means of storing and transferring wealth. It operates on a peer-to-peer network that doesn't rely on any central authority, making it a powerful tool for those who seek financial independence and protection from the volatility of fiat currencies. This is particularly relevant in regions where traditional financial systems have failed or are inaccessible. The desire for such autonomy and security is not new. For instance, when the Spaniards discovered the New World in 1492, many sought new opportunities and refuge from oppressive systems. Similarly, Bitcoin presents a modern solution for those who wish to safeguard their wealth and assert their independence in an unpredictable world. Bitcoin's appeal lies in its ability to offer individuals control over their economic future, free from the constraints and risks associated with centralized systems. As a digital currency and network, it empowers people to reclaim their financial agency and navigate a world where traditional financial systems may not serve their best interests.
Bitcoin's value lies in its unique role as a global store of value and its ability to provide digital property rights. Imagine being given $1 billion and placed in Nigeria, tasked with buying something you must hold for 100 years. There isn't a single asset across Africa you'd prefer over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's appeal is its ability to remain secure, portable, and easily transferable anywhere on Earth, especially in countries like Cuba, Venezuela, and Argentina, where traditional assets may fail. Bitcoin offers unmatched security and accessibility, much like why Apple succeeds because people worldwide want iPhones regardless of the global situation. Just as the iPhone is a better idea than pen and paper, Bitcoin is a superior way to store wealth. It allows you to carry your wealth on your phone, transfer it instantly, and protect it from theft, offering both financial freedom and power. This concept parallels the success of AI, which provides immediate answers to questions, proving valuable whether the world is in chaos or calm. In dire situations, getting an answer quickly can be life-saving. Still, even in everyday life, these innovations are compelling because they're simply good ideas.
Bitcoin's value stems from its role as a global store of value and its ability to provide digital property rights. Imagine being given $1 billion and placed in Nigeria, tasked with buying something you must hold for 100 years. There isn't a single asset across Africa you'd prefer over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Traditional assets in regions like Cuba, Venezuela, Argentina, or Africa often lack the security and portability that Bitcoin offers. Bitcoin is a form of digital capital that transcends borders and unstable economies. It allows individuals to store their wealth securely, move it easily, and protect it from inflation and government interference. This makes Bitcoin an appealing option in countries where the financial system is unreliable or where property rights are not guaranteed. Consider why Apple is so successful. 1 billion people want an iPhone, regardless of the world state. Whether in chaos or peace, the iPhone remains desirable because it offers functionality and convenience superior to older technologies like pen and paper. Similarly, Bitcoin is a better way to store wealth. It enables you to carry your wealth on your phone, transfer it instantly, and protect it from theft, offering financial freedom and power. Bitcoin as design ensures that no single entity can control it, making it resilient against censorship and confiscation. This is especially important in regions where political instability can lead to the devaluation of currency or the seizure of assets. With Bitcoin, individuals have control over their economic future, free from the constraints and risks associated with centralized systems. This concept parallels the success of AI, which provides immediate answers to questions, proving valuable whether the world is in chaos or calm. In dire situations, getting an answer quickly can be life-saving. Still, even in everyday life, these innovations are compelling because they're simply good ideas. They offer solutions that enhance our ability to navigate and thrive in an increasingly complex and interconnected world. Bitcoin's value lies in its ability to offer a secure, portable, and decentralized form of wealth storage that appeals to individuals worldwide seeking financial independence and protection from traditional financial systems.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.